Hey everybody, this is Brett, and it's the day after winter solstice, the longest winter day of the year, when the sun is clear down in the sky, but I'm out and I'm getting my tan, and I think I'm looking pretty good for 60. But I'm solar cooking beans. I'm solar cooking some kidney beans in this pot, and it is hot in there. Let's check it out. Oh Lord, I dare barely do that. Woo! Now that is a stick or two of small amount of kombu. As I've told you before, don't eat too much kelp because it's got a lot of iodine and you don't want to consume too much iodine. You need some, but you don't want to consume too much. Let's put the lid back on there. But those beans I soaked for at least 12 hours first. I think probably longer. But anyways, I thought that I would sing a little song to you because that's what I was doing as I was sitting here. And it's just about Christmas time. So this one I like to dedicate to John Denver. He's somewhere in the ethers. Nothing ever dies. We're just spirits living in bodies for a while, a brief period of time. Sunshine on my shoulder makes me happy. Sunshine in my eyes can make me cry. Whoa, 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 whoa. Sunshine on the water looks so lovely. Sunshine almost always gets me high. If I had a day that I could give to you, I'd give a day just like today. I don't know all the words that I could sing to you, but if I did, I'd sing them just this way. Sunshine on my shoulder, it makes me happy. Pop, pop. Sunshine in my eyes can make me cry. I think that was a beet. Did you see that? Sunshine on the water looks so lovely. Sunshine almost all the time makes me high. Sunshine almost all the time. There is something landing on my head. Makes me high. Okay, let's see how they're looking here. Hey, even though the sun is pretty much obscured by the clouds up there. Look at that, isn't that pretty? dotted clouds. It's still very hot in here, very hot. And I'd added spices and salt and pepper. I think I added thyme, some couple of different hot spices, paprika and chipotle. And I'm just going to let that sit for a few more minutes, I think, and soak in those spices. I just ate, so I'm not hungry yet. So some of you saw the cup that I bought on Etsy from Thad Cox, THADCOX on Etsy. So cool. So I bought another one. This one is chunk. This one is chunk, and this one is shithead. Chunk and shithead. But I'm putting some pepper in with this orange beet and a rutabaga. And next I'm going to add some onion and garlic and spices. You get a line, I get a pole, baby. I got a pole, you got a hole, girl. You get a line, I get a pole. We'll go down to the fishing hole. Honey, baby mine. I think I got those words wrong. Something. It's looking good. I got me a big fat garlic clove. I got me a big fat garlic clove. I got me a garlic clove. Da-da-da-da-da. Can't think of it. I'm not very fast with the rhyming, sorry. But, that being said, I do have some hot water and some chocolate. That's a little bit crazy. Oh. And some sorghum syrup. Oh, Chunk, you are a hot boy. You are a hot boy, and now you are getting spilled chocolate. Chunk is getting some sorghum. That's thick. That's thick. What do you think, Chunk? Are you hot? Ooh, Chunk is getting hot. These are thick cups and super durable. Heavy. You know how much these are? $43. I'm telling you, you want a piece of art cup for a great price? That's anti-inflation right there. That is like the un-inflation. I bought cups. Oh, look at that. I just spilled it all over the side. Blew it. Oh my God. Okay, so now, oh, Chunk, I've made a mess. Honey, baby. Okay. Let's try it out. It's hot. You know, filming and cooking at the same time, it's not easy. Okay, let's give it some salt. And some pepper. I want to give this one some oregano, yeah. Louie, Louie. Oh, baby. Oregano now. Louie, Louie. Oh, baby. Dill. Oregano and dill for me and you. Eating oregano and dill. Why not add some curry? What the hell? Mix it all up and it's good to go. Louie, Louie. Oh, baby. Oregano now. Louie, Louie. Oh, baby. Said oregano now. So, oops, wrong one. Fix that. Okay. So I want to thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you are well, having a Merry Christmas, whatever you want to celebrate. And just remember that you are a spiritual being living in a very temporary body. And yeah.